Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can fix your connection was interrupted error in Google Chrome. So let's get started with the fix. To begin with, simply search for view network connections. From here, go to the properties of the network you are currently connected to. Now select IPv4 and go to its properties. Now set the DNS to these numbers. Click on OK to save the change. Now open command prompt and run it as administrator. Now type these commands and hit enter. Now exit from command prompt and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After restart, open Chrome. Click on these three dots. Go to its settings. Click on privacy and security. Click on delete browsing data. Select all time from here and make sure these options are checked, and finally delete the data so you won't get the error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.